In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change social share image on Shopify. The social share image is the picture that appears when someone shares your store link on platforms like Facebook, X, or messaging apps. Setting the right image helps your brand look consistent and professional, and it can improve how your links appear when they are shared. To get started, log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then click Preferences. This is the area where Shopify stores several important settings, including the information used for search results and social sharing. Once you are on the Preferences page, scroll down until you find the Social Sharing Preview section. This section controls the image that Shopify provides to social networks as the preview image for your storefront link. Take a moment to locate it, because it is easy to scroll past if you are moving quickly. In the Social Sharing Preview section, click Edit if an image is already set and you want to change it. If you have never added one before, click Add Image instead. Both options take you to the same place, where you can choose a new file for the social share image. Next, upload your image. Choose a clear, high-quality picture that represents your brand, such as your logo on a clean background, a lifestyle banner, or a simple promotional graphic. For best results, use an image that is easy to read on mobile and not too busy. If your image includes text, keep it large and centered so it stays visible in small previews. After the upload finishes, take a quick look to confirm the correct file is selected in the Social Sharing Preview area. Finally, click Save. Saving is important because the change will not apply until Shopify confirms it. Once saved, your new social share image will be used when your storefront link is shared. Some platforms may take time to refresh their preview, so if you do not see the update immediately, wait a bit and try again later. And that is all there is to it.